At a glance, the iPhone 16 Pro Max doesn't look or feel much different from the preceded it, and perhaps that's not to be expected. The competitive game of smartphones is now one of inches. The question is, can the small or even invisible changes add up to something big? In the early going with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, I would say the answer is yes. The iPhone 16 Pro Max was announced at Apple's It's Low Time event on Monday, September 9. iPhone 16 pre-orders will begin on Friday, September 9, and the new phone will hit store shelves on Friday, September 20. The iPhone 16 Pro Max starts at $1,199 for the model with 256 GB of storage, with that price rising to $1,599 for the model with 1 TB of storage. For context, those are the same starting and maximum prices as the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Is this the best iPhone Apple has ever made? Possibly. It will certainly claim a spot near the top of our best iPhone list and maybe even best smartphones. I will offer my definitive take when I finish my full review. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.